And for today's video mga kading, man-share ko na ustedes el birthday ganap dal di amon unika iha na si Ashira Bernice. Nayase akina Woodland Resort and Restaurant punto del DCU mga classmates and friends. Y antes de todo, quiere ani con ustedes saluda, buenos días y ojalá ay man-enjoy ustedes el video. Let's go! Hello, good morning mga kading! Hi! So today, we're celebrating the birthday of our daughter Ashira and we are going to celebrate it at Woodland Resort together with her classmates. Say hi! Can you please introduce yourselves, guys?
Hi guys, I'm Andre Yuri.
Hi, I'm Rabiana Ihachi. Hi, I'm Sid Gaspi. Hello. And I'm birthday.
Oh, see you when we get there. Stay tuned. We're here at Woodland.
Yeah.
Ashi, happy birthday.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, they get up. Shit.
Mientras espera con los demás classmates que liga, so y andan en el cottage para donde kami man stay.
Mira para aquí. Kedua dia sih. Yang 900. Mira kami na. Mira cara. Ay, dia. Detrás pala ang ulam niya.
Wow! Pretty naman!
Wow!
Say hi!
Nag-meet ko ba talaga? Makasiman tayo.
Uy, mas maganda talaga yung doon niya. Epic.
Mientras sa espera kami el diamond order comida, so yan sightseeing na el mga bagets, y después yan pictorial. Let us sing happy birthday to Ashi. Okay, nandito yung dalawang classmate. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ashi. Okay. Happy birthday, Ashi. Okay. Lunch is served. Enjoy your meal. Happy birthday, Ashi. And this time, uhita mi kita ang mga mensahe del mga classmates ni Ashi para kunele.
First of all, happy birthday ulit. Wish ko lang sa'yo is maging healthy ka and happy. Like, gawin mo lahat or stay being kind sa amin always. And sana yung mga bagay na hindi mo masabi sa amin ng mga friends mo, masabi mo kay Lord lahat yun. Like, i-ask.
First of all, I want to say that happy birthday and sana stay healthy. Stay healthy ka and hindi mo masabi na mga problem mo sa amin, pwede mong sabihin kay God.
Yes.
Maging matibay yung pagiging magkaibigan
Yes,
natin.
yes, of course. Thank you.
I wish ko lang kay Ashira is if meron siyang hard times, hindi niya magsabi sa amin. Para nandito lang ako if ever na kailangan niya ng kausap, if ever want song, yun lang.
Yes, thank you. And si Rabbi.
Hi Ashira, happy birthday. First of all, I want to say thank you for being a good friend to me. I wish ko para sa'yo is maging healthy ka, wag na masyadong magpa-pressure ha, lalo na sa academic. Kasi unahin mo muna yung health mo. Okay, just pray to God when you are like feeling alone, or you can talk to us. Kasi we are free. Maybe hindi ako available, pero sila pwede po sila. Huwag ka magpapa-apekto sa mga judgmental.
Yes. Tama.
Kuya Shira, I wish you the best sa world. I know you want to do a lot of things. I know you wanna do them, but you can't kasi ayaw mo maglabas sa comfort zone. So I encourage you to actually do the things you want to do. If you're gonna do it afraid. Okay? I'm very proud of you for parang opening up to us sometimes, and I'm very proud of you for coming this far. I hope na our friendship will stay just the way it is, even if na tayo, mga like old na tayo, college na tayo, ganun. Worry about your academics too much. Your health matters more. Okay? Prioritize yourself, and I wish you have a long life and endless happiness.
Yay! Thank you. Very nice message.
Happy birthday, Ashira. Like they said that huwag ka masyado mag-pressure sa academics mo. I wish our friendship stays longer and strong. Parating unahin ang sarili. Okay? And yun lang.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. Si Daddy pala. Si Daddy. Mamaya, sininang si Daddy muna.
Baby, sininang na ka,
Si Ninang yun. Si Ninang,
Basa yun
Ito yung may message para di atong dos. Okay, Daddy.
Okay. I love you so much. Happy birthday. Okay na, sana tatagal yan hanggang kapag tanda ninyo talaga. Sana mag-ingat kayo lagi. Ikaw rin. Si mag-ingat ka palagi. Nandito lang si Daddy, si Mommy.
Yes.
Na sumusuporta sa'yo forever hanggang sa pagtanda. Isipin mo na mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy at sumati Mami. Ha? Dito lang ako. I love you. Sana malayo ka sa akin. Sana matapos kayo lahat sa pag-aaral ninyo. Importante talaga. Kaya gusto ko talaga makita sa inyong lahat. Kasi maganda ko sa inyo.
Yes.
Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy na. I love you so much.
Yay! Thank you. And of course, si Ashi, what can you say about yourself, about your birthday na yan, celebrate dito yung mga friends, classmates, and Ninang.
I'm getting too old.
Hoy,
That's
too
why
young
I
pa.
need to live my life to the fullest.
Yes, and then,
I need to enjoy and
Okay lang. Express yourself na matuman huya. Aga pa si Rabi namatutuman pa dala ng mga judgment, mga tanbuli-buli ang sina namatukan nila man, pay attention. Okay, so you know,
I need to stay strong.
stay strong and always pray.
For my family.
Yes.
And for myself.
And
I need
for-
to stand up for myself. Thank you for the wishes.
Yes.
It really makes me comfortable and happy to hear. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday na. Happy birthday. God bless you. Oh, she's crying because she's so emotional. First time niya mag-celebrate. Kasama yung mga friends niya dito sa labas. Kasi usually sa bahay lang kami mag-celebrate ng birthday niya.
Yes.
So ngayon, ako dito sa Woodland Resort para at least ma-enjoy niya at ng mga classmates na yung birthday niya.
Happy birthday,
Just
Ashi.
gracias to mga classmates ti Ashi na yan share ang di ilang mga mensahe and wishes para na di amon anak. I-gracias kay Tali o sa Despirmi ta suporta kun Ashi.
going home. Thank you for today. Thank you for everything, Lord. We are safe and sound. Thank you sa mga friends ni Ashi. And thank you sa ninang niya pumunta.
Hi! Kami ka. Kaya magsabak na lang.
Sabag-sabag na lang. Hindi naman ako sabag. So, kami din dito sa harap. Hindi din kami kasya. Kaya, pinagkasya na lang talaga namin. Para safety kami makauwi lahat.
Happy birthday!
Honestly,